Block, really, we're going to attempt this home renovation, Sarah, live on air tomorrow morning. It's going to be such a big effort, so much to get done.
There is so much to get done. As you said, 5:30 tomorrow morning. That's 3.5 hours to get it done live on television. Everyone at home can see all of the pictures, and then we're going to bring these guys home to see it all finished. But right now, we are packing up your car. We're going to send you away. You're a little bit shocked, perhaps, about 20 minutes ago when we told you. Has it sunk in? How are you feeling?
Oh, absolutely blown away and just so blessed that it's all going to get done. Like, we've been living like this for a while now, and just to have it done in one night is just, it's phenomenal. Yeah.
And Morgan, you've spent every waking moment, between work, all the kids.
Yeah.
It must be a load off your shoulders to get this done.
Yeah, it's just such a relief to know, that it'll be finished and we can enjoy it, and just so grateful that, people are willing to give their time and that to do it. It's just amazing.
And they're all volunteers. They're all coming and doing it for free, which, everyone's doing it tough at the moment, but it's special.
Great.
But you're going to have to give me your keys to your house, if you don't mind. We're going to keep those for 24 hours until we bring you home. And can I just tell you that AAA City Removalist has already turned up. This is our removalist. They're going to move some of the furniture out so that we've got some room for tradies, because we all know tradies can sometimes be a little bit messy. We've got painters, we've got all that sort of stuff coming in order to get it done. So they're going to move the furniture out for us today. So thank you for them for coming so bright and early. Now you guys can start to get ready, start to get in the car, and I just want to have a talk to you guys as well. This is the grandparents. Now we know that you contacted us as well about this amazing family. What do you think about what's happening?
We are overwhelmed, and we just can't thank you guys enough, really, and all the people who have volunteered. They can move on with their lives now without this terrible cloud hanging over their heads.
It's just that they've run out of money, run out of energy, run out of time, and it's just amazing that it'll be all fixed for them.
Because they told me, no, we are so welcome, but they told us they had to go from being the aunt and uncle, and now they're sort of the parenting figure. It's a massive transition for all of them, isn't it?
It is incredible, and I think that's one of the difficulties of standing by and watching, that you're changing the roles, and the kids have had to make adjustments. Yes. And Travis and Tyler have been amazing.
They have, and they gave up half of their bedrooms. So the boys had to give up half of their bedrooms to make room for Azzy and Torrin as well. That's what a lot of these renovations are. So for them as well, it's such a big thing, isn't it?
It is. And Travis said he's had the approach all along. I've always wanted a big sister, and he's got his big sister now. So
well, hopefully you guys can stay with us a little bit longer and watch that we get this furniture out, that we look after their house, okay? And then tomorrow, as we said, Deb, Georgie, look, live event, never been done before. I'm really hoping 3.5 hours. I'm promising it. I'm really hoping we can deliver.
Look, that'll be amazing. Thank you. We just won't ever be able to thank you enough, really.
Well, it is our pleasure. It is our pleasure.